When I walk in and see the makeup a while ago, I fuck I get frightened.
Okay, like if you back one thing, okay, like if two people ain't green, okay, them ain't go agree, them ain't go say nothing to one.
What I really want to talk about, yeah, but that's crazy, because you have to learn, I mean, as a brother and sister, you have to learn and try to live good.
Provoke bandit and stuff like that, you know, them just disagree and that's it.
It's crazy.
It's not like two people ain't talking.
Crazy.
And like every minute they're on war and all shit and...
What I'm saying, right, to go into the boat ride? Huh?
Yes.
And you want me to come to the boat ride with you? If I say ask you, can you say to me about the boat ride? What you tell me?
I'm talking nothing, but what you think?
Well, alright. I know the reason why I ask you. Right? I'm not a camera person. I'm not trying to get you on camera. I'm talking. But I'm talking. Okay? So you don't have to be worried about nothing on record. My face may look pan. What I'm saying about the boat ride, right? It's a boat ride on water. Right? Am I right? And it's a dance I'm going to keep in the boat. Not true? May I talk to you now?
Done.
Alright, it's a dance to keep on the boat. Okay? Whatever you say, done, your body hole. What may I try to say? If it's a boat ride, me not go on a boat ride. Me not going on no boat ride. Because me cannot swim. And I'm not taking any kind of chances to know say me is a dirty sinner. A dirty old sinner. We sin against God, we crucified for me. Right? And me is a sinner. On top of me sinful, dirty ways. Me go and buy pretty clothes and dress up. And go up on the boat. In the water. No say me sinful. No say me can't drown because me sinful and dirty. And no say me can't swim. No say me go ask God to protect me. But maybe my sin is just too much coming for repent. And I go find myself on a boat ride. Dress up in some pum shorts or some neck sexy clothes. Party pan water. You think me stupid for no say me a sinner. Such a sinner person and plus me can't swim. If you go find myself in a boat. Pan water. Deep water. In a late hours a night. Me must begging for death. No man, me must don't want to live. Me must don't want to live. Me not taking them the kind of chances under no circumstances. Boat ride? No boat ride for me. As some I go live, as some I go dead. Me not touching no boat ride. No boat ride. Because sinful as I is, I can't go up on the water. I God have to protect me and my sin against me, so I clean up myself and baptize in the water. Me gone on the boat, I roll, pan boat, pan water, see them a party, pan water. Nobody now make boat ride for Jesus Christ, pan water. Therefore, me nah go. And for this Jesus Christ boat, you still have pan water. And a Jesus Christ boat, pan water. True faith, me might take a chance. But me nah go in there neither. Because God know me love him, and me not sin against him because me not want to take the boat ride. I am not going to no boat ride for no circumstances and water and no me can't swim to save my dear life. Me are not damn fool. Some people do take all kind of chances with their life and that's when they end up dead, you know. Because they know they can't do the thing but they gone. Look how much people can't swim. But they fly gone on boat ride. What you do on boat ride and you can't swim? You not no hair bag. You not no life bag out where you want call if you put on your neck. You must see have people to dive out, dive out. Or something, me know what emergency water happens if the boat turn over in the water. All kind of beasts, alligator, all kind of something in the water. Me go take up my old self at my age, but me a boat ride. Boat ride a feed idiot who want to lose their life. We can't swim. And if you can't swim in the midnight, you turn over in the water. Boat ride a feed idiot. When you know so no sin against God and no sinner, when you get up out and you go on boat ride, just up in all kind of pum shots, all kind of nasty and drama. Look for my face, drama. Look for my face, drama. And pick up myself, but me I go on boat ride. I mean, was me sinful. And go on a night on boat, but party on boat, party on my ass. Let me read my Bible. Now I'm the little big land drag a bed. And thank God me wake up to see another day because life today not promising to anyone. You're up today and you're dead tomorrow. Life is not promising. Me I get to go throw my life and we go put it like a fish. Like when you try to get fish, you take your life and throw it like a bait. I throw you out the gun pan boat in the middle of the night and no make you swim. For save not even myself. Come on. As the boy start till left and right and me turn over in Jesus Christ, me join same time. Maybe I'm gonna jump before me sink because I'm so frightened for the water. By the time me a water splash, me eye them get big. May I tell you? So me won't take them the chances there. And I know circumstances, I would not be going on any boat ride. Okay? Right. One vex, who God bless, no man curse. Thanks for Peter Ginger. God bless if you go buy ginger for me. Community ginger, trust me. But yeah, no boat ride for me. Me can't paddle, me can't foot, me can't do nothing. The only thing I can do is eat food and relax my brain. I don't know nothing about swimming. I know nothing about that. In Jamaica, when me go vacation, me go see, yes. Of course, me go see. But I'm like a bathing suit and me go on a beach. And me go at the water at the beach and me sit down by the sand, by the sea. And when me see a big wave a come, before that wave catch the shore, me get up from shore and the wave back up on the sand. And make a wave cool long before me go back to go sit down back in the water and put my foot. Me now pass to past my ankle. Once the water catch my ankle, that's enough. Me would never go in the water catch my knee. That is impossible for me to go in the water catch my knee. Hit your thing where ras. Not because you can dive and swim like fish. You might can dive and swim like fish. Well, me can swim and me can dive. I mean, I take a chance in my life. I mean, I go on a boat. Because I don't want a boat sink with me and kill me 4 times. Let me stand on dry land. Please. Not because my eye them might look like mermaid or my paint up my eye them look like mermaid. No mean to me can swim like fish. Me afraid of water. Just like how puss afraid of water. Me beard yes, but me not go in the water go swim. What the water come to my ankle, that's it. It's deep enough for me. And once me sit down and see the water come and the sea just a roll and this big wave it for come. And me sit down flat for my back with my foot them touching on the water. I just a touching on the sea water and me look to the big wave a come. Make it up and run your fart. And go way out upon the sand. And when the waves flash to me come and take the water and choke on myself and rinse off myself. I am not going out in that water. Yes. And people may advise if you can't swim, don't go to the water. Go on a pool and go on a boat ride. Get up just on a kind of antics. So no go on a boat ride when you know you can't swim because anything can happen and the damn boat turn over. Better yet, you don't know no sin and no dirty. Before you beg God forgiveness, you go on a boat ride and skin out and thinking ras. You must ask God forgiveness. Please. I'm not going on no boat ride under no circumstances.